YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV. I haven't brought y'all boys a little POV drop in a minute, so I said, fuck it, let me pick up the cam, give y'all a little, you know what I'm saying, give y'all boys a little POV drive. I'm about to give y'all a cold start right now, though. Yeah, boy, let's see. M2 mode, cold start. Yes, sir, yes, sir. As you can see, it's a little rainy outside today, I ain't gonna lie. Weather in New York kind of shit, but man, it is what it is. I don't know. I give y'all a little what, rainy day cruise we gonna call it. I don't know. See if anybody else doing something. Might link up with the guys. I don't know. See how it go. I don't really got no fucking plans, to be honest. It's my day off and shit. Fucking car is dirty as fuck, but yeah. Yo, chat, and I got this helmet, man. Bro, cause we on some go fast race car driver shit, man. I fuck with this helmet heavy, boy. You know what I'm saying? Safety first, boy. Safety first. But yeah, facts, man. Soon that time, yo. My boys just strapped up the cam to the dome piece. Oh, what's that? Police spinning? Jesus Christ. Fucking police, man. But yeah, like I said, what the fuck? I don't really got shit going on. I don't really got shit planned. This nigga right here about to die. Is that worth it though? It's his business though. I gotta fix that fucking sound in the back there. Police spinning and spinning. The windows tinted. You're gonna be mad, ain't listening. Got the cops up there. Sheesh. Oh, my boy got the boat. Nah, boy. Shit. G80 here. And then my boy got the boot on him right after, bro. Police, yo, nah, the marshal's spinning, son. Word to, word is bone. The marshal's spinning. Y'all boys better be careful. Y'all boys better pay them tickets. Nah, it's like, nah. Even I got tickets, I don't even be paying. But the marshal's spinning, my boys. Yeah, boys just gotta be careful out here, man. Tell me, why would you get up and leave? It was fine for what we had left. Bumba. I'm fake starving, I ain't gonna lie. What should we eat? What should we eat? Yo, I'm mad the weather's fucking butt today, boy. Like, that shit kinda sucked ass, I ain't gonna lie. Why would you woke up and leave? Can't really do nothing crazy. Oh yeah, he trying to throw that shit. Look at this one here, boy. He trying to throw that shit. Fuck is fake cola in this shit. I ain't gonna lie. Fake breezy in this shit. Sheesh. My boy out here living, windows down and all that shit. Damn, bro. Fuck. It's really out here raining and shit. Yo, and to all my car people and shit, be careful out here. It's the end of the year. You know what that means? More police outside because they trying to meet that end of the year quota and shit. Y'all boys stay safe out here. I ain't gonna lie, there's no way it's just me, but I've been seeing a lot more police officers around lately. And I know I'm not the only one that's just been noticing that shit. There's been a lot more police officers out here lately. Bro, they hunting, bro. They trying to, feel me? They trying to get their little, feel me? Wow. Whoa. It's cool. Just don't be one of them. Just don't be one of them. Don't be a victim, fellas. Just stay safe out here. This motherfucker almost slipped, boy. Nah, let me stop. What's y'all thoughts on rear wheel drive in the rain though? Shit is fake nutty, I ain't gonna lie. This is fake nutty. I don't even know what I'm gonna do for winter for real. Man, I'm chatting. Real niggas drive rear wheel drives in the winter, bro. In the rain, all that. I'll drift this whole corner right now. Nah, let me stop. Fuck around dead, end up on the news and shit. Oh, here we out. Woo, look at that. Police. What'd I just say? Police in Cross Bay. They spinning and spinning. Let me see what he gonna do though. If he busts this shit, I'm getting on the highway. Where is Bond? Oh, nah, he got on the highway. All right, bet. But I'm telling you, bro, they be seeing niggas, then they be targeting niggas, bro. You gotta be careful out here, bro. Stay safe for real. Damn, bro, the rain is fucking falling, son. Boys, it's currently the next day. Fucking driving. Shit is fucking moving, boy. I ain't gonna lie, and I started in 3rd gear. Yo, I'm crying. Nah, that shit is fast, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I ain't know if y'all know this chat, but it's definitely one of my dream cars, yo. Definitely one of my dream cars, man. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck, I baited. I should have ended up that way. Yeah, man. But sorry to start the video like that. I started the video yesterday, but the weather was shit. So I said, fuck it. Let me put the camera down. Pick it up today. The weather a little bit nicer. And when I pick up the camera, who knows? A fucking McLaren pulls up on me, man. Yo, shout out to him, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's definitely one of my dream cars. Because let me tell y'all something. A lot of people don't got McLarens. They always looking at Lambos and Porsches and shit. But McLarens in the hood, man, you don't see that all the time. That shit look good too. I wish I had the camera rolling when that shit flew by me just now, yo. That shit was crazy. But nah, shout out to him, yo. That shit was fucking moving though, I ain't gonna lie. Fast, boy. Yo, that shit fast. What, boy? That nigga is bugging in that word too. is crazy, boy. Yo, nah, he's geeking. Nah, shout out to him, man. I hope he sees this video, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to him. Nah, that shit is fast. Like he said, stock. GG's. Shit, I need to tune my cars, boy. That boy said stock, yeah. Bomba clot. Yeah, bro, that nigga is fast, bro. Damn, bro, stop. That shit quick, boy. Don't worry, man. We gonna get faster. It's just work. Fuck. Fuck. Yeah, we getting off here, too. That shit look good as fuck too. Look how low it is, boy. That's really like a real life Batmobile, son. That's crazy, boy. Yeah, he's surfing these fucking roads. It's fucking dog shit, nigga. What the fuck you throwing this car at, my youth? He can't see other cars on the road. He about to throw that shit. Damn, chat. Just look at that shit, boy. That's the goal, man. That's the dream, man. We keep grinding, man. We gonna be there. No worries. It ain't nothing. It's just work, y'all. It's just work, y'all. Don't worry, soon. What do y'all thoughts on me bringing a McLaren to the channel? Let me know in the comments below, man. Chef bringing a McLaren to the channel. Chef bringing a McLaren to the hood, man. Sheesh. Motivational? I think so. Damn, boy, that shit that look good. I don't know, do I... Damn, boy, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Like, he can't fit, or like, what the fuck was that about? Damn, boy. Shout out to him, boy. Sheesh. It's a beautiful day out here in the south, man. Beautiful day. Smell a little funny out here, but still a beautiful day, man. Yo, and a lot of y'all been asking me about my downpipe. Bro, I have a downpipe. I just didn't put it in the car yet. Cause when I do it, trying to tune that motherfucker right after, you see what I'm saying? Instead of throwing the downpipe in, waiting for the tune, like, what the fuck is really going on here, boy? Nah, boy. Can we even fit this way? Nah, I don't even know what taking. Nah, we could fit. Dog, I ain't never seen nothing like this, bro. Fuck it. He could. Never mind. I don't question it, bro. Okay, that man just said, fuck it, let me go. Intakes is singing, my boy. Intakes is singing. got the bad GS behind me. Do your homework on the GS 300. But yeah, I'm about to end the video here, my boys. Damn, don't look how I look. I look cooked, chat. I look like it hurt. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Yeah, man, we here, man. Road to 1K, man. I'm trying to hit 1K by the end of the year, bro. And I need y'all help to do it, cause this shit is hard. Real rap. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, man. It's your boy Chef, man. Chef fucking out, man. You know it.